Think back to your years in school. You probably learned algebra, geometry, history, chemistry, maybe even how to calculate the area of a triangle. But here's a question. How many classes taught you how to create a budget? How credit cards really work? How investing grows wealth? Or why so many people earn good money and still live paycheck to paycheck? For most people, the answer is none. And that's strange, because money affects almost every part of adult life. Where you live, what you eat, how much stress you feel, the opportunities you have. Yet many people leave school without ever learning how money actually works. So where do we learn? Usually from our parents, our friends, social media, or painful mistakes. The problem is, those lessons aren't always accurate. If your parents struggled with money, they may have taught you habits based on survival, not wealth. If your friends constantly spend beyond their means, that behavior starts to feel normal. Without realizing it, we inherit financial habits long before we earn our first paycheck. Here's something interesting. Most people believe that earning more money automatically solves money problems. Sometimes it does, but often it doesn't. Imagine two people. Both earn exactly the same salary. One saves part of every paycheck, invests consistently, avoids unnecessary debt. The other spends everything they earn and upgrades their lifestyle every time their income increases. 10 years later, their financial lives look completely different. Not because of income, because of habits. Money is less about math and more about behavior. You don't have to be a genius to build wealth, but you do need patience, discipline, and an understanding of how small decisions grow over time. Think about compound interest. Many people hear the phrase, but never truly understand it. Imagine planting a tree. For the first few years, it doesn't look very impressive, but underground, the roots are growing. Then one day, the growth becomes obvious. Money often works the same way. Small amounts, saved consistently, can become surprisingly powerful over time. The opposite is also true. Small bad habits, daily takeout, impulse purchases, subscriptions you forgot about, they don't seem expensive today, but over years, they quietly drain your future. Here's another myth. People often think wealthy people know some secret. Most don't. They simply understand a few basic principles and follow them for a long time. Spend less than you earn. Avoid unnecessary debt. Invest regularly. Think long-term. These ideas aren't exciting. They're not flashy, but they work. The hardest part about money is that the rewards are delayed. You don't feel rich after saving $50. You don't notice the benefit of skipping one unnecessary purchase. But years later, those decisions matter a lot. So why doesn't everyone do it? Because your brain prefers immediate rewards. Buying something today feels good. Saving for the future doesn't create the same excitement. That's why financial discipline isn't about intelligence. It's about learning to think beyond today. The good news? Financial education has never been more accessible. Books, podcasts, videos, courses. You don't need a finance degree to understand money anymore. You just need curiosity and the willingness to keep learning, because nobody cares about your financial future more than you do. At the end of the day, the biggest investment you'll ever make isn't in stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrency. It's in your financial knowledge, because once you understand how money works, it starts working differently for you. If this video made you think differently about money, welcome to MindSketch, where simple drawings explain the hidden psychology behind everyday life.